Tight. Very close. Example: me and my best friend are super tight. Sick. Amazing or awesome. Example: yo, that skateboard trick was sick. Drip. Stylish or fashionable outfit. Example: check out my drip, I'm killing it today. OG. Original, or the first best version of something. Example: Michael Jordan is the OG of basketball. Low-key. Subtle, not drawing attention, or slightly. Example: I'm low-key excited about the party tonight. Salty. Bitter, upset, or annoyed. Example: he got salty after losing the game. Bomb. Amazing or excellent. Example: this pizza is the bomb. No cap. No lie or for real. Example: that concert was the best ever, no cap. Bet. Agreement or okay. Example: wanna meet at 5. Bet. Plug. A person who provides something, often exclusive or hard to get. Example: I got these sneakers from my plug, they are not even out yet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.